Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. You all know that we are in chapter 5 lines and angle, right? So you also know that we have started exercise 5.1 in our previous class. So in our today's class we are going to start from question number 6. Alright, so let us start our class without any delay. So student, here we have the question number 6 from exercise 5.1. So the question states that in this given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angle. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both angles still remain supplementary? So student, angle 1 and angle 2 is given, which together consist of a supplementary angle. So you all know supplementary angle is a pair of 180 degree. When you sum it, you'll get 180 degree, right? So student, there is one condition given. If angle 1 is decreased, if this angle 1 gets decreased, say this is x degree and this is y degree. Suppose this angle 1 is getting decreased by some x degree, that is it is getting decreased. Earlier it was x degree and now it is getting decreased by x minus degree. Okay, if angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2? What changes should be there in angle 2 so that both angle will remain supplementary? So if this is getting decreased, then this angle 2 should be increased to remain, in order to remain supplementary, right? So you will write, understood what I mean to say? If 1 is getting decreased, if suppose this angle is getting decreased, then it should increase in order to remain supplementary, no? Right? So you will write from the question, it is given that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angle. It is given, no? In the question it is given that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary, right? It is making 180 degree. Yes, supplementary angles. So if suppose angle 1 is, this is angle sign, okay, angle 1 is, if suppose decreased, alright, if suppose this gets decreased, then angle 2 must be increased. Angle 2 must increase by the same value. Whatever the number it is getting decreased, the angle 2 also should increase by the same number, by the same value, right? So we will write by the same value. So hence, if this will happen, then if this angle pair remains, hence the angle pair will remain supplementary. So understood? I hope you have understood this, right? So if this is getting decreased, then it should also get increased by same value in order to remain the supplementary. Alright? Proceeding forward to question number 7, we have, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute angle? So if you have both the angles acute angles means it is less than 90 degree, right? It is less than 90 degree, no? So if you have both the angle less than 90 degree, and if they are making, can they make, the question is, can they make a supplementary angle? Do you think it is possible? Say I took 80 degree one and I took say 50 degree another. The possible value is, our value is 8 plus 5 is 13. It is 130 degree. No, 130 is not a supplementary angle, right? If I add suppose angle, suppose a greater degree, 89 degree plus 89 degree, both are 89 degree, then is it possible? 9 plus 9 is 18, 1 in hand, 8 is 16, 7, 178. With 2 it is not getting with supplementary, right? So our answer will be no, because acute angle is less than 90 degree, right? If you are adding two acute angle, then it is not, we don't have any possible chance to get supplementary, or the sum of the two angle will not be possible for your supplementary angle. Okay, proceeding forward, number 2, obtuse angle. can two obtuse angle make supplementary angle? So obtuse means it is always greater than 90 degree, right? It is always greater than 90 degree. So this is also not the possible way to get the supplementary, because it is always greater than 90 degree. So if say 91 and 91, if you are adding, then 1 2 9 plus 9 is 18. It is greater than complementary, no? Just see supplementary. Supplementary is 180 degree, but we are getting the value greater than 180 degree. So in this case also it is not the better way, or two obtuse angle cannot be the result for supplementary angle. Okay, right angle is 90 degree, like this, and obtuse means it is greater than 90 degree, like this, and in acute it is less than 90 degree. So it is straight angle, sorry, not straight, it is perpendicular always, right? On the base, some in one angle, in this angle, height is always straight, this straight. Okay, so this makes a 90 degree. When you add say 90 and 90, two right angle, then it is 180 degree. Yes, in this case, yes, two right angle can make a supplementary angle, because when you make a sum of this angle, right angle, then you are going to get the supplementary pair. Okay, so yes, in this case it is possible. Student, proceeding forward to question number 8 of exercise 5.1, we have an angle is greater than 45 degree. Okay, is its complementary angle greater than 45 degree, or equal to 45 degree, or less than 45 degree? So one angle is given, that is 45 degree. Okay, so you have to verify this angle the complement of this angle 45 is greater than 45, or equal to 45, or less than 45. Okay, so the first condition given is an angle is greater than 45. The angle is greater than 45. Okay, so if I choose 46, so you all know complements means when you have a two pair of angle, and if that pair of angle is making 90 degree, then that angle will be referred or called as a complementary angle, isn't it? So now if we take one angle as 46 degree, because the condition is an angle is greater than 45 degree, we have an angle which is greater. I am taking here as 46 degree. Okay, so you can take 47 also, you can take 50 also, you can take 51 also, you can choose any of the number greater than 45. Okay, I am choosing here 46 plus another pair of angle be x. We have to see whether the complement of this angle will be less than or equal to or greater than 45 degree. Okay, so you know that the complementary angle makes 90 degree, sum of the two angle is 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 minus 46, right? So when you subtract this, it is 44 degree, right? It is 44 degrees. So you can see here that it is the complement of this angle is less than 45 degree, right? If I choose another degree, say 49 degree I am choosing, plus x is equal to, we have to choose greater than 45 degree, that's why I am choosing 46 here, chosen 46 here. Now I have chosen 49 degree here. Okay, you can take 50 also then, and see if you are getting the complement less than, or what you are getting, complement greater than, less than, or equal to. So 40x is equal to 90 minus 49, x is equal to 49, 1 here, 1 in hand. Okay, and 8 minus 4 is 41. So you can see here again that it is less than 45 degree, right? The angles are less than 45 degree. So you have to, your answer is the angle is less than 45 degree. Okay, I hope you have understood. So you can say that if one angle is getting increased, here the one angle is getting increased, another angle should be decreased. So you have done in the question number 6 also, that in supplementary angle, when one angle is getting decreased, another should increased to make or to have a supplement. You have learned in done in question number 7. So this question is also similar to question number 6. Okay, so one angle is getting increased, another should get decreased in order to maintain a 90 degree. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. You have chosen, I hope you can choose another angle which is greater than 46, 49, but it should be greater than 45 because our condition is an angle is greater than 45 degree. Okay, so your answer is, therefore you can write less than 45 degree. Okay, your complementary angle is less than 45 degree. Alright, I hope you have understood this. Proceeding forward to question number 9. Our first question there, part 1 is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? So student, this will be a home assignment. I have already mentioned you what is adjacent angle. So take help the definition from there and try to solve this. Alright, if you are not able to, I'm there to help you all. Okay, so this much for today. In the next class we will proceed further with the next question. Okay.